Hello, I'm Michael Foster, and welcome to Dividend Craftsmen. Yes, I'm a long-term investor over 40 years. May not look it, but I am. So, what I want to share with you today is how to take $50 a week, and over a time of period, you can be wealthy, considered just $3 million. Yeah, $3 million. $50 a week. You say, how is that possible? This is a scam. No, this is math over compound interest. I want to show you how to do it step by step. So take a seat, relax, 3 steps. Stay with me, not a long video. So first of all, this plan is called a $50 a week plan, which is $200 a month approximately. It's called a DRIP plan, D-R-I-P, which means it is a dividend reinvestment plan. And what a dividend reinvestment plan does, you buy a stock, and that stock pays you dividends. Dividends is they pay you a bonus for holding the stock. So the key thing is holding the stock, okay? You want to hold the stock, and then they pay out quarterly. They pay you so much money. But what you do next is you take that dividend, that money that they gave you, okay, for owning those shares, and what you do, you immediately invest it right back and buy more stock of the same company. For instance, let's say if we were doing Johnson & Johnson, and hypothetically they were paying out 15%. So you take that 15% dividend that they paid you for that first quarter, and you put it on auto. Find you a stockbroker like Charles Schwab or TD Ameritrade, whoever you choose. Set this up so it's auto draft out of your check. You can take $50. Okay. Now I know you like coffee, you like entertainment, you like the movies, you like candy and cookies and junk food, all that type of extra stuff. But think about it. $50 can change your life over a period of time. It's not too much to ask, because people spend $50 a week on coffee, and they won't bother you about it. They say, well, this is just life. I love Starbucks. I love Tim Hortons. And they'll spend $50 a week on just coffee, not including the lunch. But take that $50, okay, and make a resolution today that I'm going to invest in my future, and you will be happy. You will never regret what I'm about to share with you. So what you do, you take that $50 and let it reinvest in this DRIP called the Dividend Reinvestment Plan. I reinstate that. That's what it is. It's all totally legal. It's all part of different type of stock options that they offer. And you do this plan and you put it on auto. So basically you're coming off of $200 a month, $200 a month, and it comes out to about $2,600 a year. Okay. So you put it into a high growth dividend stock or fund that offers a DRIP. It's called DRIP. It offers this, and it automatically over shares of time, it would accumulate compound interest. Okay. Now you have to stay consistent and never stop reinvesting. Oh, it's worth $100,000. Don't withdraw it. Let it keep turning. Keep adding the $50. Don't get greedy. It reached 200 grand. Don't stop. Okay. And this thing, your first 15 years, you possibly be worth 1.5 million in 15 years. But our goal is $3 million. So what you want to do is keep reinvesting it. $50 every week. And what that comes out to is approximately over 30 years. It comes out to $78,000 investment. If you put in $50 auto pay from your check into this account, and it'll accumulate compound interest. And some people don't have discipline. Oh, I got $1 million. They go run and grab it. They become a consumer. I'm going to do this. I'm going to travel. No, that's just, like I said, it's just the first 15 years. But your goal is 30 years. You're 20 years old. You want to retire at 50. You can do this plan. You can retire at 50 years old. if you stick with the plan and not be greedy and pull it out and go buy a Porsche or Escalade or something. See, you buy a car. There's people out there investing in cars. They're spending every 6 years or 7 years, they're spending $120,000 and $30,000 on a truck. You know, a Raptor F-150, I gotta have it. And they go out and blow $120,000, $130,000 and they pay it off in like 7 years. You do the math. I'm only asking you for $78,000 over 30 years. I'm not asking you no more money. You invest this wisely. You stick with this plan. In just 30 years, your money will be worth over $3 million. Okay? I must reiterate. Now, the key thing is this, is finding those stock that yield the 15 to 20%. And what happens is, it's kind of tough to do the 20%, but if you do your homework, you get the high yield stocks like the REITs or companies like ARCC. They had historic returns of 15 to 20% dividends using DRIP. And you can find these companies. Some companies will fluctuate and go higher, as high as 30. But what you do when the economy is up and down, you buy the lows, okay? You buy it when it dips. Buy it $50, another $50 a week. You buy the dips. And if you average out the highs and the lows, you come around 20%. It's very possible for you to achieve the 30-year, $3 million. Now, this money right here you're doing is besides your job's 401k. It's besides the Social Security that you can get, you know, if it's still around. But I'm just giving you a hypothetical analysis that this is a thing that you should be doing. Set aside this $50. This is for the everyday working craftsman. You got skills, you work, you're a construction worker, you do this, you do this. This $50 sacrifice is not too much for your future. And you can take that $3 million, you got this extra money, then you can buy a nice car, buy your dream home, travel. You got $3 million here, your retirement may be worth, you know, $700,000, $1 million, whatever's worth. You put it all together, you have a substantial amount of money for you and your wife and your family. You can travel, have fun. This is the goal. So I want you to consider, if you like this topic and you like what I've shared with you, please hit the like button, please share, and please subscribe. And so join in next time. We're going to be talking about 3 stocks that have high yield dividends on this drip. That's my topic, is this drip message for the next few shows. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and I hope to see you next time right here on Dividend Craftsmen. See you soon. Have a good day.